So Unihertz has been a brand that's been going out of the box with their devices. I've really enjoyed their devices so far. Look, I got the new Unihertz tank here, and one of its main standout features, besides the build quality, is the 22,000 milliamp battery. And I have some thoughts about it. So let's have some fun and let's talk about this huge battery on the Unihertz tank. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I never had a smartphone with extreme battery life. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to wait for the Unihertz tank to drop down about 10% battery life to see what it's all about. But I did something different. I came with something different. You know what? Let's go to do a battery test between the current device, which is the Pixel 7 Pro, and the Unihertz tank, and do a 10-hour video test to see the battery life on both of these devices. Now, remember, the Unihertz tank got a 22,000 milliamp battery. So what I did at the test, I made sure that the Unihertz tank was about 26% battery life. So the Unihertz tank was 26% battery life because I wanted to handicap it. And I had the Pixel 7 Pro at 100% battery life. Now I put the brightness level on both devices at 100%. So let me go to show y'all guys the YouTube video battery test that I did for 10 hours, and let's see what it's all about. But I'm going to give you guys some commentary as we look at the battery tests. So what I found running both of these devices at 100% brightness level, at about 5 hours, the Pixel 7 Pro dropped from 100% battery life to 53% battery life. The Unihertz tank dropped from 26% down to 19%. So with all that said, I believe that when you watch YouTube videos, it's not using all the cores, so it kind of used this low power mode so you could get longevity out of your devices when watching YouTube videos. But after 10 hours of playback on video, the Pixel 7 Pro dropped all the way down to about 2%, watching 10 hours of video, and the Unihertz tank dropped down to 9% from 26%. Again, 10 hours of video playback. Now, at 9%, the Unihertz tank could probably go a few more hours. The Pixel 7 Pro at 2% only have minutes before it go out. So that's what I wanted to show y'all guys in this test. So you know what? Let me give you my thoughts about this. When you watch YouTube videos, and you could get very long battery life because it's not using the full force of the device itself. So just keep that in mind. I could tell you, using the Pixel 7 Pro, I'm not getting no more than about 5.5 hours of screen on time using it daily. Now, as far as the Unihertz tank, it's a monstrosity of battery life on this device. So I knew that at 26% watching YouTube videos, the Unihertz tank was probably going to beat the Pixel 7 Pro. But it's extraordinary to see how at 26% battery life, a device could beat another device that had 100% battery life, this video playback. So here's the breakdown. The Unihertz tank went from 100% to 26% And I got an on-screen time of 42 straight hours using the device every day for everyday tasks, such as text messaging, watching YouTube videos, playing games, going through social media, taking photos and videos and stuff like that. I got 42 hours of screen on time. Now, at 26% battery life, doing this video test, it got another 10 hours of on-screen time added upon the 42 hours of screen on time before I started the video test. So that's a total of about 52 hours of screen on time with the Unihertz tank. Now that's very extraordinary. Now, to put this in perspective, the Pixel 7 Pro, again, I talked about this earlier. For normal use, I can ink out about 5.5 to 6 hours of screen on time. Look, even when I use my Galaxy S22 Ultra, I might ink out at about 6 hours of on-screen time of normal use. And you know what? The Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Pixel 7 Pro has huge batteries, but the Unihertz tank with this monstrosity battery life is so good. I mean, it's a huge battery and it works as advertised. So what have I learned by doing this test here and using the Unihertz tank? It has a lot of battery life. That's all I got to say, right? But there's some caveats with having a monstrosity of device with all this battery life. The thickness, the weight. Listen, man, this phone is very thick. So, and it's very weighty. Again, 1.24 pounds. And it's very heavy. So just keep that in mind. Look, this test is subjective, right? Oh, based off of usage. Your usage may vary. You may get a lot of screen on time with your device versus me. I've been using the Unihertz tank and, 50% as far as brightness level, 50% brightness level, be using it every day. But this test, I use it at 100% battery life. The only thing I would say to Unihertz is keep up the good work, but support your older legacy devices. Give out some software updates, especially for your, your Titan Slim and your Titan Pocket and your regular Titan. Start giving out some software updates. Also with your other devices, just make sure you keep those devices up to date. And I think they're going to be all right. All right. But if you want to see the first video that I made with the Unihertz tank, and you want to see my reaction when I took this device out of the box, click the video right here. Click this video right here and check out my reaction when I opened this device, when I took it out of the box. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.